Welcome to Visa Reservations Visa channel. I'm Jill and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how to apply for a Germany Schengen Visa from the United States. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Germany is a popular destination to choose if you're planning on going to Europe. Cities like Berlin and Hamburg are fabulous places to explore, with art galleries, restaurants and a vibrant nightlife. If you're interested in architecture and history, Cologne, Dusseldorf or Dresden are good choices. Experience Oktoberfest in Munich or head into the country to enjoy the mountains, the forests or the lakes. Whatever you choose to do, Germany is a great country to visit. Before you even start an application for a Schengen visa for Germany, it's important to note that if you're a US citizen and plan to go to Germany for up to 90 days, you do not need a visa. In fact, over 50 countries can travel to Europe visa-free. However, if you are a non-US citizen living in the United States, you will need a visa to travel to Germany for up to 90 days. You may have different reasons for going to Germany, as a tourist or a student, for work or business purposes, or you may have family reasons. Whatever your reason for travelling to Germany, let's look at the type of visas you can apply for. The two types of visas you can apply for are a Schengen visa for up to 90 days or a residence visa for over 90 days. There are different categories of short and long stay visas, and the one you apply for will depend on why you're travelling to Germany. You must make sure you apply for the correct visa. Check the German Embassy in Washington's website before you begin. Hit that link on the screen. The German Embassy in Washington is responsible for making decisions about visa applications, but you must submit your application at one of the BLS international offices located across the US. How to apply? To apply for your Germany Schengen visa, you can do everything through BLS International. Book your appointment, complete your application online and submit your application. Before we continue, it's important to know that the processing time of an application is a minimum of 2 weeks. In some cases, processing time may take up to 4 weeks. So remember to apply in plenty of time, just don't leave it too late. To apply for your visa for Germany, the process is straightforward and relatively quick. All you need to do is follow these 6 steps. Step 1, prepare your visa application. Step 2, submit your visa application. Step 3, payment of fee. Step 4, biometrics enrollment. Step 5, status tracking of your application. Step 6, collection of your passport. And let's look at each of these steps in turn. Step 1, prepare your visa application. On BLS International's website, you can complete the visa application form online. Click on the link and you'll be directed to the Videx system. You will need to complete your personal details, occupation, contact details, travel document information, biometric information, travel dates, references, payment information and means of subsistence. Remember to complete all the information and then submit your application. Step 2, submit your visa application. You can submit your visa application at BLS Visa Application Centre, but you must make an appointment to do this. You must apply at the correct office. Each embassy deals with visa applications within its own jurisdiction. Use the consular finder to help find the embassy that you need to deal with. Hit the links on the screen to make an appointment and check which office you need to apply at. Step 3, payment of fee. Currently, for short-term visas, the fee is €80 or $88. There's also a service fee payable to BLS International, which is €39 or $43, and this must be paid when you submit your application. There are different payment methods, but credit cards are not acceptable as a means of payment in the visa centres. BLS International accepts debit or Apple Pay and cash only. Visa and service fees are payable in the local currency and are subject to change. Step 4, biometrics enrolment. You will be required to give biometrics enrolment at the time of submission of your application at BLS Visa Application Centre. This is where you provide a scan of your fingerprints and a photo. Step 5. Status tracking of your application. Your application will be sent to the embassy to make a decision. The status of your application can be tracked through BLS's website, or you can choose to receive a text message. You will need the reference number and your date of birth to track your application, which you can do on the BLS website. Click the link on the screen if you wish to track your application. Step 6. Collection of your passport. You can collect your passport from the BLS Visa Application Centre where the application was submitted, or opt for a courier to deliver to your address. If you wish to collect your passport from the Visa Application Centre, please take the following documents: your receipt and a photocopy of your passport. So we've looked at how to apply for a visa, but what about supporting documents that are required as part of your application? Documents include an online Schengen Visa application form, a declaration of accuracy, photographs as per specifications, information on data protection, a Schengen Visa requirements checklist, additional information on Schengen Visa for minors under 18 years, and travel health insurance. There could be other documents that are required depending on your reason for visiting Germany, so it's best to check the full list of documents before you submit your application to BLS International. If you miss anything, this could mean a rejected application. So now you know how to apply for a Germany visa from the US, so get that application started. If you'd rather make this process even easier and faster, you can use visareservation.com services to help with your visa application. Just so you know, most embassies or consulates require flight itineraries as part of a visa application, but they recommend that you do not purchase tickets before your visa is approved. If your visa application is rejected, you will not be refunded for any flight ticket you've bought. Visa reservation can help with flight reservations, which are perfect for visa applications to prove travel plans. Visa reservation also offers hotel bookings, travel insurance, booking appointments, visa interview guides, and much more. Why choose visa reservation? Well, all our itineraries are verifiable, support for any country visa, 24/7 customer support, group discounts, 100% buyer protection, refund available if your visa is denied, affordable pricing, and reliable service. To use visa reservation services, all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose a package that suits your needs. Number 2, submit travel details and pay. Number 3, receive your itinerary by email. That's all there is to it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and visit our website for up-to-date information on everything you need to know about applying for visas for Europe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.